Good afternoon, student. This is Teacher Edwin, and today's topic is all about place value. In this topic, we will be going to talk about the placement value, standard form, and the word form for each digit. I would like you to watch the entire video of this discussion after class so that the learning process will be easier and it will be easier for you to understand the topic. So, everyone, just watch and listen. Our lesson for today is all about place value, okay, and standard form. Place value is the value of each digit in a number. Standard form is a way of writing down very large number or very small number easily. I have an example here which is 921. Okay, what I would like you to do is to find the place value of this given digit. Okay, there is always a technique on how to determine the place value of each digit. Okay, let's start with this 921. Look at this one. Always start with the last digit going to the left so that determining the place value will be easier. Now, as you can see, we do have hundreds, tens, and ones. The first digit, okay, will be automatically the ones placement, while the next number going to the left will be the tens placement. And the last digit going to the left will be the hundreds. So that's how you are going to determine the place value of each digit. Now, let us put the digit in its value. Okay, place value. So we have known this one here. We're going to put 9. We're going to put 2. We're going to put 1. And that is 921. If you want to find the placement value of each digit, 9 is 900 or 900s. 2 is 2 tens or 20. 1 is ones. So therefore, the standard form is 921. Okay, student, another example. I will be giving you the expanded form. We do have 500 plus 10 plus 5. So therefore, since we know the place value of each digit, we can simply do like this. 5, 1, 5. So therefore, our word form for this is 515. So that's how we are going to do with our place value, standard form, expanded form, and the word form of the numbers. Hello grade 6, this is Teacher Edwin. Today's lesson we will be going to discuss about ratio and rates. You have to remember in solving ratio, you have to consider that ratio is related to fraction. So what is very important there is you should know how to simplify the number. You have to simplify the number by using a common factor. That's the technique. You have to get a common factor in order for you to find the simplified form of your ratio. Okay? Hello student, grade 6, good afternoon. Our topic for today is all about ratio and rates. But first, we will be going to talk about and discuss what is a ratio. Ratio indicates how many times one number contains another, while rate is a comparison of two numbers with different units. Both rates and ratios are a comparison of two numbers. A rate is simply a specific type of ratio. The difference is that a rate is a comparison of two numbers with different units, whereas a ratio compares two numbers with the same unit. Here's an example where I would like you to express a ratio as a fraction in the simplest form. Okay, number one. Given number one is 18 pounds to 22 pounds. So basically, if you are going to write this one in ratio form, this is 18 is to 22. And the fraction form of this is 18 over 22. So now, how are you going to simplify this number? You have to find a common factor of 18 and 22. Can we use to divide 18 by 3? Yes, we can. Can we use 22 divide by 3? No, we can't. So the simplest way of simplifying the given number is to find a common factor. In 18, we can divide it by 2. As well as 22, we can divide it by 2. So that is what we call a common factor. Now, let us divide 18 by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 22 divided by 2 is 11. And that is the simplified form of 18 pounds to 22 pounds. So therefore, the simplified form of 18 to 22 pounds is 9 is to 11. Now, how about the second one? 12 pints to 36 pints. Again, we have to find a common factor, the common factor of 12 and 36. Now, we have to find and use a number that is, or that can be divided, used to divide 12 and 36. Both numbers can be divided by 2. Both numbers can be divided by 3. Both numbers can be divided by 4. Both numbers 12 and 36 can be divided by 6. The key in simplifying the number is to find the greatest common factor. 12 and 36 can be divided by 12 by 12. So that is what we call greatest common factor, and that is the number we will be using. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. 36 divided by 12 is 3. So therefore, the simplified form of 12 pints to 36 pints is 1 pint to 3 pints.